To effectively use Dynamics 365 Business Central, it's crucial to understand how to navigate your lists and cards. Let's start with lists. From your Business Central home screen, click on Items in the navigation menu to access your items list. This will open your items list in the list view. At the top of the screen is your application bar, where you have access to all of the functions covered in the home screen navigation video, including your account, settings, notifications, and the search button. Below the application bar is the navigation bar, which shows different navigation menus based on your role. The application bar and the navigation bar will look the same across all of your lists. Next is the action bar, which contains list-specific action menus. The action menus contain action items that allow you to create, edit, view, and share data from the list. The main portion of the list view is the action list, which contains a range of data fields organized into columns. You can sort, filter, or hide columns by clicking on the drop-down in each column header. You can also rearrange and freeze these columns to customize your list view. Simply go to the Settings button in the application bar and select Personalize to enter the personalization mode. You will see the personalization bar and red icons appear. Click on the red icon of the column you'd like to personalize and select Freeze or Hide, or drag the item to move it to a new location. When you're finished, click Done to exit the personalization mode. To the right of the action list, you will see a series of fact boxes. These show you important data points from the action list line that is currently selected. If you would like to hide the fact boxes, simply click on the Collapse Fact Box pane button on the right-hand side of the action bar. You can change the view of your list even further by clicking on the View Layout option button and switching from the list view to the tile view, or to the tall tile view. Now, let's take a look at the card view. To open a card, click on any number in the item number column of the action list. Once the card is open, you can view and edit the details of that specific item. At the very top of the card, you can see whether you are in edit mode or view only mode and switch between them. You also have a button to share the card, one to create a new card, and another to delete the selected card. To the right, there are options to open the card in a new window and to change the size of the card view. To the left, you will see the number and the name of the item. Below that is the action bar, which contains a number of action categories that open different menus with options to manage, edit, and share the information in the card. Beneath the action bar, the main sections of card data are split out into tabs organized by data category. You can click on the header of a tab to collapse or expand each tab. You can also view additional data fields in tabs by clicking on Show More. Similar to the list view, your cards are also accompanied by fact boxes. These boxes include additional information on the card that you are working with, including any images, attachments, attributes, and other relevant information associated with the card. These fact boxes can also be hidden by clicking on the Collapse Fact Box button at the top right of the card view. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to navigate lists and cards in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.